Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of car cleaning with an exciting product, the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. Powerful dual functionality. The KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner operates as both a vacuum and an air duster, providing versatile cleaning options. Whether you need to suck up dirt and debris or blow away dust from hard-to-reach areas, this two-in-one device ensures effective cleaning for various surfaces. Efficient rechargeable battery. Equipped with a robust 4000 mAh battery, this vacuum cleaner offers quick and convenient charging through multiple sources, including car chargers and laptops. It reaches a full charge in just 3 hours, allowing for extended usage without the hassle of cords. User-friendly maintenance. The KMM vacuum is designed for effortless maintenance with a one-click dismantling feature that simplifies garbage disposal. Its washable and reusable HEPA filter ensures sustained suction power while minimizing the risk of blockages. Compact and lightweight design. Weighing only 0.72 lbs, the KMM Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is incredibly lightweight and portable. Its sleek and stylish design makes it easy to handle, store, and carry wherever you go. Integrated LED lighting. For added convenience, this vacuum cleaner features built-in LED lights that illuminate dark spaces. This functionality enables you to effectively clean in low-light conditions, ensuring no dirt is left behind. Versatile accessories for various tasks. The KMM Handheld Vacuum Cleaner comes with a variety of detachable brush head nozzle accessories, making it suitable for diverse cleaning needs. From computer keyboards and air conditioners to pet hair and plants, you can easily switch attachments based on the task at hand. If you're interested in purchasing one for yourself, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home safety tips and product reviews.